ever virtual Junior Annual Sports 2021. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Thus, PBAS organized annual junior sports online. This helped the children to explore their hidden sports interest. More than physical activities, such events help them build confidence, concentration, and the urge to reach the goal set for them. They participated in the events with immense dedication and enthusiasm. Here are some glimpses of the events.
Class Pre-Nursery. First event, Bottle Cap Opening. Second runner-up, Aradhita Shaw. First runner-up, Adriti Das. First position, Ahuna Basu. Second event, Napkin Folding. Second runner-up, Anshika Shaw. First runner-up, Kalpana Trivedi. First position, Dipannita Bose. Third event, Chocolate Wrapper Opening. Second runner-up, Amartya Deb. First runner-up, Kojaguri Banerjee. First position, LSK Goli.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Exercise, hands on your hips. 1,
7, 8. The third exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The fourth exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. On your mark, get set, go! Okay, I got it. I got it. Okay, I have got it. Very good. Very good. So I have got.
Class Nursery. First event, Balancing of Book. Second runner-up, Shaurya Bharadwaj. First runner-up, Milind Srivastava. Joint first position, Vedant Mishra and Pradipon Ghozdostidar. Second event, Bursting the Balloon. Joint second runner-up, Ayon Biswas and Gritik Gupta. First runner-up, Ankur Bera. First position, Srijita Shaha.
Okay, so I can see Pariniti Shaw, Ankush Barik, Sharthuk De, Avnish Kumar. So all of you ready? All the best, and your time starts now. Hurry up. Hurry up. Time is getting up. Hurry up. Yes, very good. Good going. Hurry up. Very good. Yes, first is Sharthuk. First, Sharthuk. Pariniti. Second. And third is Avnish. Avnish, third. We got the third. Very good. First is Sharthuk De. Second is Pariniti Shah. And third is Avnish Kumar. Clap. Clap for all of you.
Congratulations to all of you.
Congratulations all of you. Very good, Ankush.
Well done, everyone. Congratulations.
Well done, everyone. Very good. You children. Very good. Yes, children. All of you ready? Shiny Das, Afsha Naushad, Jishu Mondol and Abhijit Parida. So as you know what you have to do, we have done in the practice the same thing. You have to peel 5 potatoes within 1 minute. Okay, children? So your time starts now. Ready? Start. Start peeling. Start peeling. Yes, time is getting up. Start peeling. Very good. Time is getting up. Start peeling. Yes, time is going. Hurry up. Start peeling. Jishu's potato is hot. Oh.
Oh my God, ma'am.
Oh.
You should have made it
Jishu's
earlier.
potato is hot.
You cannot do it. How will you do it?
You can, no. No, you should have done it before.
That's not there. That's not done.
Yeah. That's not
uncorrect.
correct.
That's not correct. That's not correct at all.
Jishu, leave it. Don't try. Jishu,
Leave it,
it's
you'll burn
hot.
your fingers.
It's
He
hot.
will burn his fingers.
Leave it, Jishu.
He will burn his fingers now.
Yes. Okay, children, stop. Time up. Stop. Children, stop. Time up. Stop. Shiny, stop. Abhijit, stop.
Tiny stop.
Okay, let me see how many potatoes. Afsha, I think you have done 5. Yes, Afsha has done 5. So we have got our winner,
Very nice.
Afsha. Yes, next is Abhijit. How many? 2.
How many potatoes did you peel?
Abhijit?
Very good.
3. Abhijit, 3. Abhijit, you unmute yourself. Tiny, you have done 2, I can see. 5. Abhijit, 5.
Yes, ma'am. No, I can
No,
see
Abhijit
only
was
4.
not 5.
4.
1, 2,
I can
3,
see 4.
4.
Yes, 4.
Abhijit, 4. 4, yes. Okay, so we have got first Afsha Naushad, second Abhijit Parida, and third Shiny Das.
Very
Clap!
good.
Very good, children. As you know, we have done in the practice, we are going to do the same thing. 5 pencils sharpened in 1 minute. Okay? So be ready, all of you, in a ready position. And your time starts now. Ready? Start. Start. Yes, hurry up, children. Start. Time is getting out. Hurry up. Very good. Very good. Good going, children. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Yes. Very good. Aratrika, fast. Done. 5 pencils. Very good. We got our first. Aratrika, hurry up, children. For the second, hurry up. For second, hurry up. Hurry up.
Very
Hurry
good,
up.
Aratrika.
Devagnik, second.
Okay, Devagnik is
We
got.
got the second.
Congratulations, Devagnik.
We got the second. And third, Arav Yadav. Arav Yadav.
Very good.
Sorry, Aniruddha. We got the
Congratulations
third.
to all of
Arav
you.
Yadav. We finished just 1 minute
Superb.
after you. Sorry.
Excellent.
Superb.
Very good. Very
Well-
good. So
Well
we
done,
got
everyone. Well done.
Chatterjee. Clap for Aratrika. Our second is Devagnik Naushad. Clap for Devagnik. And our third is Arav Yadav. Clap for Arav Yadav. Excellent. Very good. So all of you ready with 5 napkins in front, right? Vedanto, Gargi, Aryahi and Arav Kashyap. All the best, children. Okay, so your time starts now. Start. Hurry up. Start. Hurry up. Tie your napkins. Yay. Hurry up. Good going. Very good. Hurry up, Aryahi. Very good going, Gargi.
Very good.
Yes, very good, Arav Kashyap. Hurry up. Time is getting up. Hurry up. Hurry up, children. Time is going.
Okay.
Hurry up.
That's good.
Hurry up. Hurry up. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Yes, Gargi finished.
Gargi done.
Keep fast. We have got our first. Vedanto, second. We have got second. Vedanto, hurry up, Aryahi and Arav Kashyap. Yes, time up. Stop. Time up. Yeah. Yes, stop. Aryahi. Yes, Aryahi done. Aryahi done. Aryahi done. Yes, very good. You got 3 winners. First, Gargi. Clap for Gargi, all of you. Yes. Runner-up Vedanto. Hurry up. Clap for Vedanto. And our third is Aryahi Chaudhary. Clap for Aryahi. Very good. Thank you. So you had a very great time.
Class KGA. First event, peeling boiled potatoes. Second runner-up, Shayani Das. First runner-up, Abhijit Parida. First position, Afza Naushad. Second event, pouring activity. Second runner-up, Avnish Kumar. First runner-up, Pariniti Shaw. First position, Sharthak De. Third event, tying knots in handkerchief. Second runner-up, Aryahi Chaudhary. First runner-up, Vedanto Das. First position, Gargi Deshpande. Fourth event, sharpening pencils. Second runner-up, Arav Yadav. First runner-up, Debagnik Noshkar. First position, Aratrika Chatterjee.
So we are recording. Okay, all right. Let's start then. 1, 2, 3, start.
Wow, very good. Good going.
Very good.
Great done, Tejas.
Wait, Tejas. Yuvraj. Yes. Wait, Tejas, and then Yuvraj. Very good. Excellent. Wasn't that excellent, teacher? Wasn't that excellent?
I also think so.
Subharti also finished. Radhika?
Yeah. Before Shubharti, Yuvraj, he has completed. Yeah. So, ma'am, we'll see the recording. Isn't it?
Yeah, we will check the recording. Yes, we will check the recording.
We have done the recording. We have done the recording.
So for third, yes, that's what.
See it.
Yeah, sure. We will check the recording.
Okay, but the first place is being taken by Ved. Okay, Ved has taken the first place. Very good.
Very good.
Job.
Congratulations.
Great. And just within a frequent of second stages, she has completed.
Yes, very good. Second is Tejas. And for the third, we are waiting to see the recording. Okay, we will choose the third
after
one.
seeing the recording.
Yes, after seeing the recording. Thank you, children.
Alright, children. Okay. So what you are going to do at the count of 3, you are going to start. So ready?
Count of 3.
Show me a thumbs up, everyone. Okay. You don't have to be so much nervous. Okay. Alright. Ready? Okay. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, go! Come on! Very good. Slowly.
Good. Very good. Good going.
Come on, Shayuni. Come on, Shrantika. Come on, Saraswati. Come on, Sadiksha. Yes.
Fast. Very good. Yeah,
Come on, count the beat. Count the beat.
very
Count
good.
it. Count it.
2.
Very good.
Very good. 3. Very good. 3.
Very good. 3, please. Come on. Come on, Sadiksha. Come on.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good.
Good. Very good, children.
Very good, Shantini. Very good. Very good. Very good, Shantika. Sash, please. Very good.
Oh, 3, 4.
Oh my God.
She has finished.
Yes, Shayani has done.
5.
Very good. Very good. Come on. Come on, Shantika. Come on. Come on, Sahaj.
Very good.
Come on.
We're waiting for our
Come on,
turn.
come on.
Diksha, come on.
Very good. Ano, pulo.
Very good, Sahaj. Very good. Well done. Well done. Well done.
Sahaj has finished, I think.
Yeah, Sahaj is first.
Sahaj is finished.
Very good.
8.
Sahaj has finished, I think.
Sidiksha, come on, Sidiksha.
9.
Come on, Shantika. Yes, you can do it. The last one. Yes.
Finished.
Shantika first.
Very good.
1, 2, 3,
Okay, so
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Very good. All 10 peels. Let me see the peeling.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Sashpreet, you counted. Sashpreet, you counted.
Oh.
Please unmute yourself, Sashpreet. I can't hear you, child.
It's normal. ঠিক আছে
3, 4, 5.
Also,
কাউন্ট করো
I'm coming to your house to have peace and love.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
excellent. Well done. Well done. Sidiksha also well done. Everyone has played very well. I must say that. They have given their best. Very good. Awesome. The first place is taken by Shayoni. Second is Sahajpreet. And the third place goes to Shantika. But yes, Sidiksha, you
Diksha, you've done very
also
well.
have played very well.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, everyone.
Very good. So children, what you are going to do at the count of 3, you are going to start, okay? All right?
Okay.
All right? 1, 2, 3, start. Come on, very good, very good. Keep all the books and notebooks inside your bag. Come on, yes, very good, Nitya. You're doing good. Very good, Rupini, very good.
Good, Rupini.
Vijit, very good. Rena, come on, quick.
Very good. Very
Very
good.
good. First,
Very good. Rupini is done. Come on. Rupini is done. He has completed. Very good.
second. Prerna second. Prerna,
Where's the water
actually.
bottle, Prerna? I can't see the water bottle.
Yeah, water bottle she has hang. Prerna, water bottle is already there in Manesh. She has hang.
Okay.
Yeah, I can have seen.
Okay, Rijit. Okay.
Vijit is third. So we have got first
Come on,
Rupini.
Nitya. Come on. Yes.
Yeah, Nitya has not yet
Come on.
completed.
Come on, Nitya. Come on. Done. Very good. Come on. Very good, Nitya. That's
Clap for
great.
everyone. Very
Okay.
good.
Everyone has done an excellent job. So here we got the first place. Rupini, she is first in packing her bags. Very good, Rupini. Prerna is the second. And Rijit here for the third place. Very good, Rijit.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, everyone.
Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start then. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on quickly. Very good, Arohi. Well done. Come on. Unbutton it. Come on. Button it now. Yes, Depriya, button it now. Moshi, button it now. Come on, quickly.
Ma'am, complete.
Depriya first. Depriya first.
Very good, Depriya.
Arohi, hurry up. Moshi, hurry up. Bhavishya, hurry up. Yes, Bhavishya second. Bhavishya second.
Bhavishya's done.
Arohi third. Arohi third.
Okay, well done. Well played, everyone.
Well done.
Excellent. Super. We have got the first place scored by Arohi. First is Depriya. Second is Bhavishya. And the third place is taken by Arohi. Okay? Moshi.
Bye-bye.
Class KGB. First event, interchanging vegetables. Second runner-up, Shubharthi Das. First runner-up, Tejal Pandit. First position, Ved Pandey. Second event, peeling peas. Second runner-up, Shayantika Roy. First runner-up, Shehajpreet Singh. First position, Shayani Sharkar. Third event, buttoning and unbuttoning shirts. Second runner-up, Arohi Shaw. First runner-up, Bhavishya Rajput. First position, Depriya Bagh. Fourth event, pack your bags. Second runner-up, Rijit Manna. First runner-up, Prerna Sharma. First position, Rupini Roy.
Go. Start.
Start, all of you. Hurry up.
Start, everyone.
Very good, Yuvansh.
Very good.
Darshana, very good. Nachiket, come on,
Very
come on,
good.
hurry up,
Very
Nachiket.
good.
Very good, Tiashi. Very good. Hurry
Very
up.
good. Wow, excellent.
Excellent.
Tiashi is very
Excellent.
fast.
Excellent.
Yes.
Very good,
Very
Tiashi.
good.
Superb.
Yes,
Good,
Very good,
Darshana.
Yuvansh.
Good going,
Darshana, very good.
Very
Nachiket,
good.
come on,
Come
Nachiket.
on, Yuvansh. Very good.
Very good, very good.
Who has finished?
Not yet finished.
Only the oranges have to be peeled.
Yes, only the oranges have to be peeled. That's it. Who has finished first? Let me know.
I think Tiashi will finish.
As soon as you finish, say, Mom, I have completed my task.
Whoever has finished.
Finish.
Very
Darshana
good,
finished.
Darshana.
Darshana finished.
Next.
Come on, hurry up.
Next.
Tiashi second. Tiashi second.
Next, quickly. Yuvansh. Nachiket.
Come on, Yuvansh. Come on, Nachiket. Come on.
Come on, Yuvansh and Nachiket. Come on. Quickly.
Very good.
Yuvansh finished. Third.
Yuvansh has finished. Okay.
Yes. Still Nachiket
Okay.
is filling. Hurry up.
Nachiket,
Okay, no
peel
problem.
it, peel it.
No
It's
problem.
okay.
Congratulations. Very good, everybody. Very good. So, first,
Excellent,
Darshana.
well done.
First position, Darshana. Second
Darshana
position,
Roy.
Tiashi.
Tiashi
Third
Roy.
position, Yuvansh for teacher.
Very
So,
good.
congratulations.
Yes.
2, start.
1,
1,
2,
3,
4, 5, 6,
Manji, stand up.
8, 9,
Ma'am, Zia finished.
Zia
It's finished.
first we
Finished.
finished.
Ma'am,
Sayed finished.
Ma'am, Sayed is finished.
Ma'am, Zia.
Samarjit. Samarjit
Sayed.
completed this in
No.
second place.
No,
Sayed
Zia
is finished.
first.
Zia first. Samarjit second.
Sayed is finished, ma'am.
Subhashri third. Zia.
Zia is first. Second,
Zia got the first
Maraji.
place.
Second,
Samarjit,
Maraji.
yes. Paranjit and then
Third is
Subhashri.
She was.
Yes.
Very
so
good,
good.
children.
Okay.
Well done. Excellent.
So very good,
Excellent.
children.
Well done, everyone. Everyone has done it.
2. Ma'am, start. 1, 2, 3. Start. Start. Yes. Very good. Good, good,
Very
good.
good. Time is getting up. Very good. Come.
Good. Good going. Good going, everyone.
Very nice.
Good going,
Very nice,
everyone.
Shifa. Very nice. Adrusha, Priyanshu also very good. Very good, Tirtho. Very good. Come on, jump, jump. Yes.
Shifa, why did you stop?
Very good. Very good. Good going. Very good.
Keep on, keep on.
40, 41.
Come on, children. Jump.
40, 43.
Jump high. Jump high.
45.
Jump high. Tirtho, good.
48. 49. 50.
Good, good, good. Good. Priyanshu. Very good.
54. 55. 57. 58. 59. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Stop, everyone. Stop.
Stop. Stop. Priyanshu, stop.
Stop. Stop.
Tirtho,
Tirtho.
stop. That's it.
Okay, tell me, Tirtho. How
Yes.
many times, Tirtho?
How many times? 31.
Okay.
31.
Shifa.
Shifa 34.
Shifa.
Shifa 34.
Adrusha. Adrusha. Adrusha.
30.
30.
Okay, Priyanshu. 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 How many times? 32. Okay.
32.
So, Shifa first. Priyanshu second. Tirtho third.
Very good.
Shifa first. Priyanshu second. Tirtho third. Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you.
मैम दीजिए तक
Excellent. Excellent.
Very
Well
well.
done,
Thank
everyone.
you so much. 2, 3, go. Stop. Stop. Start, everyone. Quickly, 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 quickly. 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 Rajveer, quickly. Rajveer, quickly. Arvika, quick. Srimoy, Ayush, come on. Come on. Ayush, both hands. Use both your hands. Come on. Ayush, quickly. Yes. Srimoy. Very good, Ayush. Very good, Srimoy. Arvika, Rajveer, quickly. Arvika, Rajveer, come on, come on, come on. Come on. How much time left, Rita ma'am?
47, 48, 49,
Very
50,
good, very good, very good, very good. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
55,
Yes.
56, 57,
We
58.
can do. We can do. We can do. Stop.
Stop. Time up, children. Stop.
Come on,
Stop,
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 stop, stop,
stop.
children.
Stop.
Arvika, stop,
Okay.
Arvika.
Please count. Please count. Ayush. Ayush. Count the total. How many you collected in the bowl? How many you collected, ma'am? Please count. Mrs. Mahapatra. Please count. Please count. How many in total you collected in that bowl?
Unmute yourself.
In the 3 bowls. Please count and tell me.
Unmute yourself.
Mrs. Mahapatra. Unmute করতে হবে unmute করুন please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Huh? How many? Huh?
60.
1 6 1 6
60.
60. Okay. Srimoy. Yes, count. Please count. Please count.
50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164 69, 70, 71, 72, 73.
Wait, Arvika, wait. Arvika, please wait. How many?
49. 42. 74.
Please wait, Arvika.
7, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 60, 7, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 81, 82, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 87, 88, 89, 90, 90. Ma'am, 91.
91, okay. Rajveer?
How many?
Rajveer?
Yes, ma'am.
How many? Rajveer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 82.
How many? Count. Huh?
82.
82.
82.
82. Rajveer,
Yes,
82.
ma'am.
82.
Arvika, 73.
Okay. And Arvika, 73. So first position is Srimoy. Second is
Congratulations.
Rajveer. And third is Arvika. Congratulations to all of you.
Congratulations.
Thank you,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very good.
Class KGC event, first event Spoon and Lemon, second runner-up Shubhasree Mitra, first runner-up Smarajit Bandopadhyay, first position Zia Parekh, second event Sorting Activity, second runner-up Arvika Karn, first runner-up Rajveer Ray, first position Srimoy Garai, third event Peeling Oranges, second runner-up Yuvangsh Koticha, first runner-up Tiashi Das, first position Darshana Roy, fourth event Skipping, second runner-up Tirtho Bhattacharjee, first runner-up Priyanshu Shaha, first position Shifa Ahmed Khan. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे